Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, step right up and see Pacho the magnificent nutless dog. Well, Pacho,